guys, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of driving for Uber and Lyft, full-time and part-time. But before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and that would help us out so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Now let's get into the video. So the pros and cons are pretty much the same for driving full-time and part-time. So I'm going to go over the pros and then I'm going to go over the cons. So let's start off with the pros of driving for Uber and Lyft full-time and part-time. So first thing, you are your own boss. Need I say more? 2, another pro. You can make some good money driving for Uber and Lyft. So in Los Angeles, I average about $20 an hour. Some places you average 15, and in other places you can get a lot more during that time that you drive. So say I'm working full-time for Uber and Lyft and I'm making $20 an hour. If I'm working a 40-hour work week every week, I can make up to $41,000 a year, and that is just driving full-time for Uber and Lyft. So and that's based on an 8-hour workday, 5 days a week. So another pro would be unlimited vacation time. This is tricky because you can plan your vacation at any time you want, and but the only thing about that is that when you're not working, you're not making any money. Another pro is the flexibility. You can drive whenever you want. You can drive at midnight, you can drive at 2 in the afternoon, you can drive at 5, you can drive after your normal work hours. If you have a full-time job, 8 to 5, you can drive right after that. Nothing is stopping you from driving. You can drive whenever you are available. Another pro for driving for Uber and Lyft part-time especially is you can have another part-time job, or say you're starting out a business and you're not making enough money yet, you can drive for Uber and Lyft part-time to supplement your income. That's actually what I do. I'm a freelance makeup artist, and so when I'm not booked, I'll be driving for Uber and Lyft. So those are the pros that I came up with. Let's go ahead and talk about the cons now. So we talked about unlimited vacation time. However, we did not talk about sick time. So when you are sick, you cannot be around other people, or you shouldn't be at least. So say you get the flu and you're out for 5 days and you're just in bed for 5 days, you can't be working. So unfortunately, Uber and Lyft do not provide healthcare benefits or sick time or paid time off. Another con is the hourly rate can change. So even if I am in Los Angeles driving, I'm not guaranteed to make $20 in my first hour. Sometimes I make 10. It really just depends on what time you're driving and if you're catching the peak time or not. So that is a con. Another con is the wear and tear on your vehicle. So obviously if you drive full-time for Uber and Lyft, there's going to be more wear and tear on your car. If you drive part-time, same thing. You do pay for your gas, you pay for your oil changes, you pay for all your maintenance on your car. So that is one of the cons, is like you have to maintain your vehicle and you're not getting paid to do that. So there are my pros and cons of driving for Uber and Lyft full-time and part-time. I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on driving for Uber and Lyft. And thank you again for watching. This has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you guys later.